Behold, the THEA 140 Hybrid Pro industrial drone featuring a full carbon fiber body with folding design. Highly rugged and stable, THEA 140 Hybrid Pro can rush at 14 meters per second in 8 meters per second strong wind, making it an extraordinary platform to carry out aerial tasks of inspection, patrol, mapping and survey, search and rescue. The newly designed folding arms and removable fuel tank save you the space and strength to store and deliver it. We use the 2000-watt manual start generator to provide THEA 140 Pro with high-efficiency power supply. With the advanced propulsion system, the payload capacity is greatly enhanced to support 5 kilograms of cameras. One set of electric landing gears ensures the camera a better camera view. To fly securely, it needs to hover stably around 50 meters from pylons while keeping at least 10 meters away. Using a 30 times optical zoom camera, inspectors can spot aging wires and whether there are loosened screws on pylons with visual imaging, or switch into thermal imaging to detect a potential danger of catching fire. In the case of solar panel inspection, it can be used to monitor solar panel heat distribution. Where one panel breaks down, abnormal heat concentration would appear in the thermal image by showing darker color than the surrounding areas. The integrated battery generator hybrid powering system sustains 5 hours of ultra-long endurance. Coupled with its high-precision positioning GPS, it makes a perfect tool for mapping and survey. THEA 140 Hybrid Pro, your reliable aerial friend for whatever flying mission comes next.